Thank you for considering an Amerec steam package for your steam shower. Whether completing a remodel or installing a new bathroom, the following steps will help you have a successful project. First, the shower area needs to start with framed and insulated walls. For this project, we are using wood studs with fiberglass batt insulation. As you frame the walls, ensure the studs are plumb and level across the surface for the application of your shower-appropriate wallboard. We are using cement board. If you have limited access to plumbing, complete all plumbing work and electrical work, including running sensor control and light wires for the steam generator prior to installing the wallboard. If you are installing a wall niche for soap, shampoo, and shower accessories, select the location and mount the niche per the manufacturer's recommendations. For the ceiling, ensure there is a 1 to 12 slope to promote condensation runoff instead of forming drops of condensate on the ceiling. For further prevention of condensation, consider insulating the ceiling for added heat retention. The floor should either be a cement floor sloped to the drain or a pre-formed, pre-sloped high-density foam floor with a 1/4 inch per foot slope. For this video, we are showing a pre-formed, pre-sloped high-density foam floor. Depending on the floor and type of vapor-proofing membrane used, a thick rubber bladder may be necessary for additional leak protection and waterproofing. Our floor and vapor-proofing membrane does not require this step. Apply cement board or other shower-approved substrate to the framed walls using appropriate screws. Cut out for all plumbing and wiring connections. If you are adding a bench to your steam shower, highly recommended, install the support before applying vapor barrier. For this installation, we used a TrueGuard high-density foam bench, which we cut to size on site. It provided a nice level surface on all sides, to which tile would be applied. If you are looking for other options for benches, Amerec provides 2 styles of fold-down benches, which screw through holes in the tile into supports installed in the framing of the room. Another option is to frame a bench from wood, block, or other materials and cover the framing in cement board. For other bench ideas, talk to your local tile expert. You are ready for the vapor-proofing step. The Tile Council of North America has established the acceptable permeability rating for a steam shower vapor-proofing material must be below 0.5. There are several products that can achieve this. Carefully read the manufacturer's instructions to ensure you are selecting a product that will meet the requirements. Some products may require the seams between the cement board to be taped and mudded. For our project, we selected TrueGuard steam shower vapor-proofing membrane because it is easy to install and it has a permeability rating of 0.19, which easily passes the 0.5 specification. Other products to consider for vapor-proofing include Curdy board, RedGuard, and similar products. When applying a sheet membrane like TrueGuard, remember it is like roofing. Start at the bottom and layer up so the higher levels overlap the lower and prevent leakage. Start with the floor, move to the walls, and finish with the ceiling. With vapor-proofing complete, it is time to begin the tile installation. Like vapor-proofing, start with the floor. It is recommended to dry fit the flooring and your first row of tile to help map the installation. This ensures best use of materials and allows you to install the tiles more quickly to prevent your thin set from drying before it is used. Once your first tiles are planned and mapped, begin installing the floor. Wait for the thin set to dry and for the tiles to be firmly set before proceeding to the walls. You may wish to protect the floor by adding a piece of cardboard across the space. This will keep thinset from dropping on the tiles and will help protect against damage from tools or tiles being dropped on the floor. Starting with the cut pieces on the bottom allows for the lower tiles to carry the weight instead of relying on the ledger board. You may have to stop 1/3 to halfway up the wall to allow the thinset to dry before adding more tiles. You will notice boards are used at the ceiling to help hold the larger tiles in place until the thinset cures. When the tiles are all set, be sure to apply grout. Depending on the product selected, sealing the grout may or may not be necessary. Confirm with your tile professional to determine the best way to protect your grout lines from moisture penetration. Once the tile work is completed, make sure to silicone caulk around all entry points, shower head, light fixtures, steam head, steam sensor, and control if mounted inside the shower. Finally, you are ready for the door. Measure the opening of the space for the door and order a door to fit the space. This can be accomplished 2 ways. One option is to select a door that fits the entire space of the opening. A door that can swing in and out can allow for the door to be opened inward for drying the room after steam shower, while also allowing for the safety and egress requirements for the door to swing out. This is the style of door chosen for this project. Another option is to select a door with a transom that can be opened and closed. For this, you would typically have the shower door only open out, and the door can remain closed after the steam shower, as the moisture can evaporate through the transom. After all tile and glass has been installed and all caulk has been applied, allow the caulk to cure for 48 hours, or per manufacturer's recommendations, before using the steam shower. When shower is built, the steam generator and control are installed, turn on the steam shower, and feel the enveloping heat bring you to your own relaxing escape.